Hey there. In this video I'm showing step-by-step guide on how to securely lock your folders with a password. Okay. Without waste of time, let me start. Here, let me use this folder as an example. Now, to protect this folder with the password, all what you have to do is go on the link in the description and then copy these codes. After, paste it in the notepad. Here is the code. Down here, find this line that's showing your password. Replace that with your password that you would like to use. After that, click on File. Select Save As. Here, select the folder that you would like to set the password. Down on the file name, put the name that you would like to use, and then add .bat as an extension. On Save As, type Select All Files. Click on Save. OK. Now open the folder. Here you can see the file that we have saved. Double-click to open. It will create a new folder with private name. Copy all the files that you would like to protect with the password. Again, double-click on the file that we created. Here you can see this pop-up. Are you sure to lock this folder? Enter letter Y meaning yes. Press Enter. Here you can see the folder has disappeared. To open this folder, all what you have to do is double-click to open. Here, enter the password and then hit Enter. Here you can see the files that we have protected. So, that's how can securely lock your folders with a password. To change or remove the password, just right-click on this and then select Edit. Here, change or remove the password. So, that's how we can do it. Don't forget to subscribe. And even click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any video on this channel. Have a nice time.